Is your dark PDF making your eyes strain? Today, we're transforming that black and white reading headache into a bright, accessible experience. This simple color inversion can be a game changer for screen readability and even for saving ink when printing. First, let's open your dark PDF in a free PDF editing tool. Many great options exist, so choose one you're comfortable with. We'll be using a common one for this demonstration. Once your PDF is open, look for an Edit or Tools menu. This is where most of our magic will happen. We need to get into an editing mode where we can manipulate the content. This might be labeled as Edit Text and Images or something similar depending on your software. Now, here's the crucial step. We're looking for a feature that allows us to adjust colors or invert them. Some software has a direct invert colors option, while others might require you to select elements and adjust their properties. With a click or a few simple slider adjustments, we achieve the inversion. See how the dark text now pops against a light background. If your software made the background black and text white, you've successfully inverted it. If your PDF has multiple pages, look for an option to apply this change to the entire document or selected pages to save time. Once you're happy with the result, be sure to save your newly lightened PDF. It's often a good idea to save it as a new file to preserve your original document. And there you have it, a bright, easy-to-read PDF, perfect for comfortable viewing and printing. This simple trick can greatly improve accessibility for everyone.